Watching you unbox it.
Oh.
Get it, get it, get it. Happy birthday to Dan. Happy birthday to Dan. Happy birthday to Dan.
Happy birthday. I don't really know. Ass kicked by some kind of tape put on it.
You're tough. You can do it. You can do it. Wow.
I know, that's a cool plastic bag.
The unveiling.
It's even got a zipper bag.
Hey. Good for bedding.
Huh?
Good for bedding.
Hard case.
Don't break the zipper this time.
And there it is.
Voila!
Boy, that's a lot better than the last one, isn't it?
Well, open it up. Come on. Wow, that thing's like heavy duty.
Yeah. It's heavy too. It's not light like the other. Flippy thing. It's got padding.
Is that to pack it up again, or?
Well, it's got a pad so that when it's in the case, it's got it's
Protected?
yeah. Extra battery. Controller.
You like it?
I love it. Kidding?
Okay.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
There we go. And we got what else we got here? We got some extra blades. Power cords. Instruction manual. Well, there we go. And that's the unboxing of the Ruko F11GIM2.
Hold it up again. Cool.
And here's the cool, another cool part about it is if I can get it out without breaking it.
Don't break it, please.
That's the camera.
Oh.
And it can sense as the aircraft flies. That's how it
Oh, I think a gimbal?
That's what it is exactly. It's
Okay.
a gimbal. So I'm holding the camera here.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how it keeps it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it keeps it
Level?
that level camera shot.
Cool.
Put together well. It's kind of heavy.
Mm-hmm.
The blades are big, and it just gives you that solid feel. And then I got these little jobs.
What's that?
These are,
Oh, landing legs?
yeah. So,
So it doesn't get all sandy and stuff like that? Or
yeah.
debris? Are those flimsy or they look kind of...
No.
They're not?
No, they don't seem to be.
Okay.
I didn't have them in the... They got to clip into the back, but... Wow. And what this will do is oh, cool. That was work. When, say if it lands kind of wonky,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can see it, but what the legs will do is protect the camera in a crash.
Oh.
It'll hit here,
Mm-hmm.
but those legs will keep the camera off of the ground, because if you didn't have them, it could smash the camera.
Hmm.
It might not, but okay.